Everyone, guys, we are starting with IIT Jam Economics 2022, and I'm starting from the last question because many students felt that last questions are much more harder as compared to first few questions. So therefore, I'm starting with the last question. So I'm starting with the 60, 59, and so on and so forth, so that harder the question, it's better you will get the solution in detail, right? Okay. So this is question number 60. In market, two firms F1 and F2 are producing homogeneous product. The inverse demand function is given by P is equals to 120 minus 0.5, Q1 plus Q2, where P is the unit price of the product, and Q1 and Q2 are the output from F and F2 respectively. Suppose the cost function of F and F2 are C1 is equals to 20 Q1 and C2 is equals to 10 plus 0.5 Q2 square respectively. Then the total profit earned by both firms, assuming a competitive situation, is what? So basically क्वेश्चन क्या कह रहा है? पहली बात तो कह रहे हैं होमोजेनियस प्रोडक्ट है, एक ही हमें डिमांड फंक्शन गिवन है, तो ऑब्वियसली हमें पता है कि जब हमें एक ही डिमांड फंक्शन गिवन होता है तो वो प्रोडक्ट्स होमोजीनियस ही होते हैं. सेकेंडली, अगर आपने क्वेश्चन पूरा पढ़ लिया है तो आपको पता लग गया होगा कि कोऑर्डिनेट मॉडल के बारे में पूछ रहे हैं. सो अगेन वी नीड टू स्टार्ट थिंकिंग हाउ टू सॉल्व फॉर कोऑर्डिनेट इक्विलिब्रियम. एंड एज वी आर सॉल्विंग फॉर कोऑर्डिनेट इक्विलिब्रियम, आपको लास्ट में क्या बोला कि टोटल प्रॉफिट अर्न बाय बोथ दी फर्म्स, जो भी आपका प्रॉफिट आएगा उसको ऐड कर देना फर्म वन फर्म टू का, एंड दैट इज योर फाइनल आंसर. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट, राइट? सो बेसिकली हमारे पास डिमांड एंड कॉस्ट फंक्शंस है, उसको एक बार लिख लेते हैं. सो वी हैव P is equals to 120 minus 0.5 Q1 minus 0.5 Q2. Yeah, just give me a second. Right now, we have C1 which is equals to 20 Q1, C2 which is equals to 10 plus 0.5 Q2 square. I am writing profit function of firm 1, which is nothing but TR1 minus TC1. TR is nothing but price into quantity, and we know that price is this. So I'm writing 120 minus 0.5, Q1 minus 0.5, Q2, this is my price, and hold this into Q1 minus cost, which is 20 Q1. Now differentiate this function with respect to Q1. What you will get? 120. And why we are doing so? Because we want the best response function. 120 minus Q1 minus 0.5, Q2 minus 20 is equals to 0. So sorry. It's equals to 0, right? And if we solve this, we'll get Q1 is equals to 100 minus 0.5 Q2. This is nothing but the best response of firm 1, right? This is BR1. Now, coming to BR2, we need to write profit of firm 2, which is TR2 minus TC2, which is equals to price, which is 120 minus 0.5 Q1 minus 0.5 Q2 whole into Q2 minus 10 minus 0.5 Q2 square. राइट, यहाँ पे माइनस क्यों है? क्योंकि ब्रैकेट के बाहर कॉस के बाहर माइनस साइन था, राइट? अगेन वी नीड टू डू del pi 2 square, sorry, we need to do del pi 2 by del Q2. And that is equals to 120 minus 0.5 Q1 minus Q2 minus Q2 is equals to 0. And if you solve this for Q2, what you will get? 2Q2 is equals to 120 minus 0.5 Q1. Therefore, Q2 is equals to 120 minus 0.5 Q1 divided by 2. This is the best response function of firm 2. And I'm just writing the best response function of firm 1, which is equals to 100 minus 0.5. Right? All we need to do just substitute Q1 into Q2. So I am writing this Q2 here, right? So it will be Q1 is equals to 100 minus 0.5. For Q2, what all we can write? 120 minus 0.5. 120 minus 0.5 Q1 divided by 2. All we need to do just solve this. This was Q1 is equals to 200 minus 60 plus 0.25 Q1, and 2 will come here, and this is 1.75 Q1 is equals to 140. Now this is Q1 is equals to 140 by 1.75. Guys, if you solve this, I'm using my calculator to solve this. If you solve this, let's say what you will get. So if you do 140 divided by 1.75, you'll get your answer as 80. Yeah. So this is equals to 80. And since Q1 is equals to 80, so if this is equals to 80, which is equals to 100 minus 0.5 Q2, what is the value of Q2 here? So if we solve for Q2, we'll get this is 20, 0.5 is Q2 is equals to 20. Therefore, Q2 is equals to 20 divided by 0.5, which is nothing but equals to 40. So we know that Q2 is equals to 40. What is our price? Price equals to 120 minus 0.5 Q1 plus Q2, which is 80 plus 40, that is 120. Hence, your price is equals to what, bache? 60. Now we can calculate profit easily. Profit of firm 1 is equals to P, which is 60 into quantity 80 minus 20 Q1, that is your cost. So 20, so sorry. So in this case, it should be equals to 20 Q1. Q1 is 80, and this is 80 into 40, which is equals to 3200. So this is profit of firm 1. Now we need to calculate profit of firm 2, which is equals to price into quantity, which is price 60, quantity for firm 2 is 40, minus cost. Now here cost is what? Minus 10 minus 0.5 Q2 square, and Q2 is equals to 40. 40 square is 1600, right? So this is equals to 24. Just give me a second. This is equals to 2400 minus 10. minus 800, which is equals to 1600 minus 10, that is 1590. So if you add 3200 and 1590, this is a total profit. This is 0974. So the answer is 4790. And that is your final answer. Yeah.